20 years. One last time. Let us do this right. I got this pin on my first day, 20 years ago. Goodbye, house. I will be home tomorrow. For good. London to New York, my favorite route. Always. Good morning. Last time through this door for me.
20 years, Sarah. We will miss you here.
Good morning. How are you feeling today? Ready. I think I am ready. How are you? Fine. Fine. No, you are not. That is okay.
Good morning, everyone. Today we fly London to New York.
Good morning, Captain. One last time.
It has been an honor, Sarah. Every flight, every year.
15 years together, Captain. Thank you for all of it. Hello, old friend. One last time. Every row. One last time. Perfect. Ready? Ready. Ready. 20 years of this. I know how. Good morning. Welcome aboard. Good morning. Let me help you with that bag. Here is your seat. Can I help with your bag?
Thank you, my dear. You are very kind.
Good morning. Window seat for you today.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
I am very well. Thank you for asking.
You look a little sad.
Around the eyes
A little sad.
and very happy.
Both. That is how I feel on the last day of school.
Door closed. We are going. We are going. Last time. Please fasten your seatbelt. Like this. Goodbye, London. I always loved leaving from here. The sky at this altitude, nothing more beautiful.
Can I ask you something about your job?
Of course. Come in. What would you like to know?
How long have you worked on planes?
20 years, since I was 25 years old.
That means you started before I was born.
Yes, long before you were born.
Is today special? It feels like today is special.
Yes. Today is my last flight.
Then I am glad I sat in seat 12A today.
From everyone. Every crew you ever worked with. Oh. "20 years of names. All here. All of us. Always. Would you like chicken or pasta? Here you are. Enjoy your meal. 20 years in the sky. I would do it all again.
Sarah, you have done something wonderful. 20 years.
Thank you, Captain. I will miss the sky.
She sees this sky every day. That is a beautiful job.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are beginning our descent.
New York. Last time. New York. I have arrived here 1,000 times.
She is doing it perfectly. All of it.
Landed. Safe. As always. Seats upright, trays stowed. All ready. Thank you, Maya, for everything, for everything.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we reach the gate today, I would like to tell you something special. Our senior flight attendant, Sarah, is completing her last flight today. 20 years of service. Every flight, always perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, as we begin our descent, I'd like to honor Sarah, who is flying her last route today after 20 years of wonderful service.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I knew today was special. I knew it.
I knew it. Goodbye. Thank you for flying with us today. Safe onward journey. Take care now.
I will remember this flight my whole life.
So will I, Lily. So will I. Goodbye, sweet cabin. Savor the quiet. 20 years, Sarah. How does it feel? Like the sky. Very large and very beautiful.
Safe flying, Sarah. In every sky you ever crossed.
Thank you, Captain, for every flight deck that kept us safe. I will miss this view. Goodbye, seat 12A. Thank you for her. Thank you for 20 wonderful years. 20 years. Every one of them mattered. All done. Fly safe, Sarah. Always.
Comment below, what job would you miss most? Subscribe for more slow English stories. Thank you.